agricultural communities. Mr. Chancellor, I present.
I confer upon you, alias Gaveta, the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Transformative Community Development.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present the candidate who has fulfilled the requirements for the award of a Doctor of Philosophy in Transformative Community Development, George Ngambi.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, George Divolente Zomwe Ngambi was born on 23rd April 1976 and comes from the family of 10, comprising 5 girls and 5 boys. He happens to be the 5th but firstborn son of Luca and Christina Ngambi. He grew up in Luangwa, Korakota district. He's married to Ellen, with whom they have beautiful children. George is an experienced finance professional with over 20 years of managerial experience. He's a fellow of the Chartered Certified Accountants and holds an MBA and BSc in Applied Accounting. He embarked on a doctoral journey in April 2022 with a research focus on public finance management, specifically exploring the political economy of public finance management in livestock development in Malawi. His PhD work delves into the systems that govern how public resources are allocated and used in Malawi, focusing on livestock sector, an area historically underfunded and overlooked despite its importance to food economy, food security, as well as the economic development. Beyond his roles in the public and corporate sectors, George is the founder and managing director of Lab 20 Group, comprising of Lab 20 Innovations, Lab 20 Tours and Safaris, and Lab 20 Protections. Mr. Chancellor, I present.
I confer upon you, George Diovalente Mzomera Ngambi, the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Transformative Community Development.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present the candidate who has fulfilled the requirements for the award of a degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Transformative Community Development, Richard Zidana.
Mr. Chancellor, Richard Zidana was born on 28 November 1982, and he did his Bachelor of Social Science Economics degree at the University of Malawi and a Master of Arts Economic Policy Management at the University of Zambia under the joint Japan World Bank Graduate Scholarship Program. He has over 16 years of public sector working experience in areas of economic planning, trade, and private sector development. Motivated by the growing scholarship about the mission drift of the global microfinance, his PhD research employed an innovative and pragmatic Q methodology to study the political economy of the public microfinance in Malawi. Specifically, the thesis analyzed the formal and informal rules of public microfinance delivery, underlining actor interest in the programs and the efficacy of the design of the public microfinance delivery. Among others, the study revealed that small loans sizes, absence of the grace period, diversions of loan proceeds towards spending on household necessities, persisting physical collateral requirements, misalignment of loan disbursement with seasonal sensitive nature of borrowers, investment, or negate the enterprise development impacts on small-scale enterprise for the poor. The study recommends a two-tier assessment criterion for directing potential beneficiaries within the lower income quintile between microfinance and alternative programs to avert debt burden and intended outcomes emanating from their participation in the microfinance programs. From these theses, 4 articles have been actually published, and also 3 were presented at local and international academic conferences. Mr. Chancellor, I present.
I confer upon you, Richard Zidana, the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Transformative Community Development.
Presentations of candidates for the degree of Master of Science in Transformative Community Development, Master of Science, Water Resources Management and Development, Master of Science, Urban and Regional Planning, Master of Science, Geographical Information Systems, Master of Science, Forestry and Environmental Management, Master of Science, Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences, and Master of Science, Sanitation. And this is going to be done by Dr. Brighton Chunga, Dean of the Faculty of Environmental Sciences.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I award the degrees of Master of Science in Transformative Community Development, Master of Science, Water Resources Management and Development, Master of Science, Urban and Regional Planning, Master of Science, Geographical Information Systems, Master of Science, Forestry and Environmental Management, Master of Science, Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences, and Master of Science, Sanitation.
Master of Science in Transformative Community Development, Chile Tiwonge, Chiwowa Catherine, Jele Lindiwe, Kapondela Sylvester, Mankwala Innocent, Mkandawire Tapiwa, Msolola Hope, Ngwemba Edward, Nyambwani Sanderson, and Sidra Francis. Master of Science, Water Resources Management and Development, Chikondenji Stella, Kaira Fortunate, Mkandawire Vitumbiko, Mlewa Roderick, and Nyasulu Arthur. Master of Science in Urban and Regional Planning, Chipale Folias, Chiwayula Edwin, Chunga Alinafe, and Kamasumbi Violet. Master of Science in Geographical Information Systems, Chilipo Yamikani, Gumbo John, and Mtonga Sibongile. Master of Science, Forestry and Environmental Management, Mfune Lloyd and Ngoma Lair. Master of Science, Fisheries and Aquatic Sciences, Chakalamba Tikala and Chombo Joseph. Master of Science, Sanitation, Chirwa Harold and Ziambo Bright.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, sir, I present the following candidates who have fulfilled the requirements for the award of the degree of Master of Science in Nursing Education, Clinical Teaching.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I award the degree of Master of Science in Nursing Education, Clinical Teaching.
Master of Science in Nursing Education, Clinical Teaching, Chipaka Betty, Kapachika Patso, Kumwenda Maria, Muntali Vitumbiko, Ndilowe Melvis, Nkoma Lydia, and Simpokolwe Cecilia. Master of Science in Nursing Education, Clinical Teaching with credit, Kumatso Sylvia and Mbawa Dorothy.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present the following candidates who have fulfilled the requirements for the award of degrees of Master of Education in Leadership and Management and Master of Education in Teacher Education.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I award the degrees of Master of Education in Leadership and Management and Master of Education in Teacher Education.
Master of Education in Leadership and Management, Chichoka Mike, Katepesia Bruno, Maida Victor, Nirenda Faith, and Shemu Amos. Master of Education in Leadership and Management with credit, Machirika Paul, Makonokaya Andrew, Masanjala Messi, Mbalati Lawrence, Mpandula Beatrice, Ngoma Samuel, Nkono Rosemary, Nyirenda Clement, Nyirenda Noriti, and Sitima Musate. Master of Education in Teacher Education, Lozani Tokozani, Nyirenda Nancy, and Zidana Atuperi. Master of Education in Teacher Education with credit. Ambali John. Chimangeni Milonde. Chimzimu Ulemu. Chirombo Joyce. Harawa Faith. Jere Dina. Kalimbuka Memory. Longwe Moses. Muhango Myuko. Mtawali Kirby. Nguluwe Martin. And Nyoka Jacob.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present the following candidates who have fulfilled the requirements for the award of a degree of Master of Science, Applied Chemistry.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I award the degree of Master of Science, Applied Chemistry.
Master of Science, Applied Chemistry with credit. Kondowe Alistair, Wanjala Paul, and Soko Isaiah.
Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present the following candidates who have fulfilled the requirements for the award of degrees of Master of Library and Information Science, Master of Arts in African History and Heritage Studies, and Master of Arts in Theology and Religious Studies.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I award the degrees of Master of Library and Information Science, Master of Arts in African History and Heritage Studies, and Master of Arts in Theology and Religious Studies.
Master of Library and Information Science, Chitsulo Elizabeth and Soko Wellington. Master of Library and Information Science with a credit, Manda Alufeyo. Master of Arts in African History and Heritage Studies with a credit, Muntali Memory. Master of Arts in Theology and Religious Studies with credit, Kalima Morton and Tembo Prince. Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present the following candidates who have fulfilled the requirements for the award of a Diploma in Library and Information Sciences, Diploma in Security Studies, and degrees of Bachelor of Library and Information Science, Bachelor of Arts, Security Studies, Bachelor of Arts, Theology and Religious Studies, and Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I award the Diploma in Library and Information Science, Diploma in Security Studies, and degrees of Bachelor of Library and Information Science, Bachelor of Arts, Security Studies, Bachelor of Arts, Theology and Religious Studies, and Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies.
Diploma in Library and Information Science, Banda Samuel, Chisale Gloria, Chitseko Stewart, Mankson Chisomo, Koviwa Diverson, Martin Yakobe, and Pili Benson. Diploma in Library and Information Science with a credit, Banda John, Banda Tony, Kachiza Mpatso, Manyamba Christina, Ntunda Luso, and Mwalabu Blessings. Diploma in Security Studies, Binali Faison, Chautsi Mirwad, Chisola Elanivi, Jafuli Matthews, Jere Rogers, Richowa Shadrick, Manda Pililani, Masamba Tone, Matabwa Stephen, Mlenga Shadrick, Mumba Damiano, Ndovi Jackie, Mshane Nicholas, Njolomole Baton, Nundwe John, Nyilenda Lovemore, and Witian Erson. Diploma in Security Studies with a credit, Gondwe Vincent, Kunyenje Kwezani, Limbani Atupele, Malembo Mike, Msoya Wongani, Nkata Melise, Saguga Yohani, Welemu Henry, and Wiscott George. Bachelor of Library and Information Science with lower second class, Busman King, Chimuka Frank, Daudi Ian, Farinya Grace, Gwileni Robert, Nkanda Blessings, Mpinganjila Lefson, Muntali Kondwani, and Saweta Beatrice. Bachelor of Library and Information Science with upper second class, Chati Mireri, Chavula Edith, Chikanga Tiamike, Chikopa Mayamiko, Chinkondenji Roserine, Chiumia Posha, Zimuzayani Debola, Galimoto Chirungamo, Gatawa David, Gondwe Maxon, Gumbo Serari, Hara Nicole, Kalodzela Moses, Kasunkija Eroni, Kayuni Gift, Kunga Jeremiah, Kondowe Mese, Mapanje Bridget, Masaya Precious, Mbewe Ruthi, Mbewe Samson, Mbisa Patrick, Muhango Karibu, Ndinda Benson, Mpata Gomeziani, Mtandi Esther, Muntari Francis, Mwafrirwa Wislon, Nchoma Mekaye, Ndalo Desrita, Nkoma Kelvin, Ntuzi Raphael, Pili Vincent, Sichali Joshua, Tobias Lamiton, and Vitsitsi Triumphant. Bachelor of Arts, Security Studies, with lower second class, Halawa Esther, Maguire Athan, and Omar Stevie. Bachelor of Arts Security Studies with upper second class, Banda Martha, Banda Mary, Banda Moses, Chizalo Godric, Chikwawa Lucia, Chirwa Jonathan, Goliath Felia, Gondwe Benedicto, Kashon Alice, Kaira Robert, Koviwa Victor, Kondowe Haxwell, Kondwani Pirilani, Lungu Mike, Mangulama Vincent, Mankomwa Betty, Mbalame Yatsoka Monica, Ndoka Pempelo, Mukwita Faustino, Mlomole Caron, Mwamlima Harriet, Nkoma Daxon, Pili Gift, Sikwese Peter, Sohaya Elita, Topola Fane, Walawala Victor, Andy Willem James. Mr. Chancellor, sir, I now present Bachelor of Arts Security Studies with first class. Balakia Maiki. Bachelor of Arts Security Studies with another first class, Magwira Grant. The last candidate from Security Studies who has also passed with first class, Majiga only.
Ndithu mmene mukumveramo kwa amene mukumvera MBC Radio 1 holo yonse imayimirira chifukwa amene amakhala kuti akhoza ndi distinction pamenepo ndi azathu amene amachita maphunziro azokhudzana ndi security palito Balakia Mike, Magwira Grant komanso Majiga only, ndipo amakapereka ulemu kagwirana chanza kwa mtsogoleri wa dziko lino amene soto ndi chancellor wa university imeneyi.
Bachelor of Arts, Theology and Religious Studies with lower second class, Mapwele Finest. Bachelor of Arts, Theology and Religious Studies with upper second class, Chindzakazi Laisa, Chikao Esther, Chingwalu Chikondi, Chipembere Patrick, Chipwaila Alik, Harrison Daniel, Julio Matthews, Kabambe Ruthness, Kaputa Evans, Kayange Yamikani, Manda Elizabeth, Nkandawile Tapiwa, Mwase Kenwood, Ziovu Ulemu, Nkata Chikumbutso, Msona Brenda, Samson Rasford, Simeon Toko, Andy Somanje Chantel. Mr. Chancellor, sir, Bachelor of Arts, Theology and Religious Studies with first class, Magwaza Joyce.
Zikamateretu amatebwezi zikoma yayi ameneyotu Magwaza Joyce ndithu amenetu amapanga maphunziro okhudzana ndi theology za mulungu chonchi kukhoza ndithu ndi distinction holo yonse yayimirira pamafunika ulemu wake ndithu ndiponso kukapereka ndithu chanza kwa mtsogoleri wa dziko lino kutito iyayi mwakankha kutengatu kupeza distinction ndi chamuna chomwe simasewera mwambo kuno ku Mzuzu ku Grand Palace Hotel kupitirira.
Bachelor of Arts, Communication Studies. Banda Simon, Chawala Oshia, Chilinda Linda, Chipokosa Obedi, Shitukuta Namon, Dauya Dekani, Davis Phyllis, Zimbiri Rebecca, Yambi Aubrey, Given Wilfred, Gome Precious, Gondwe Arthur, Gondwe Precious, Kagona Brenard, Kagwa Geoffrey, Kaira Lucia, Kariati Hanifi, Kamanga Trines, Kaonga Josephine, Kapesi Evaristo, Kapiseni Mike, Kaunda Chikondi, Konje Yamikani, Milos Martin, Mandoa Lenosi, Mangwazi Evidence, Mbingwa Luiza, Mfune Cecilia, Ngwede Wile, Miti Chipililo, Musa Wezi, Nzia Favor, Nkunika Jacqueline, Ntozi Jacobo, Penslo Gerardi, Shawa Rebecca, Tasowana Yohane, Tindwa Elda, Andy Wasiri Brian. Bachelor of Arts in Communication Studies with lower second class. Abudala Shukrani, Banda Blessings, Banda Martin, Chamadenga Fraser, Chamagomo Madalitso, Chaula Shadrick, Chikalusa Bidiat, Chikaonda Sharon, Chilumpa Alexander, Chinkandwe Trevor, Chinkuti Iani, Chisi Chimwemwe, Chizizi Magi, Chunda Angel, Yambi Kalem, Gondwe Glory, Gondwe Shupi, Grandi Merabel, Hara Cuthbert, Kachigwali Tamandani, Kachipande Chimwemwe, Kadamanja